What's up, guys? We hope you enjoyed our Black Bear Pass video, and what you're watching right now is supposed to be an Imogene Pass video, but instead it turned into a slightly hilarious campsite cooking show. So, it's a little different, but we hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. I mean, look at those views. Are you tired of looking at our views yet? Guys, the Last Dollar Road is absolutely beautiful. If you get the chance to take it, if you have time, be sure to do it. It is epic. We found some camp on the Last Dollar Road. It's right by the road, which we typically hate, but you know, sometimes you just got to take what you can get. They can't always be epic, but we're still surrounded by this beautiful aspen forest. So that's pretty awesome. It already has a nice fire ring that Kim is reconstructing because it's fallen in, so we don't have to pull out the pop-up pit. You happy with the find, babe? So a lot of people have asked us what's the first thing we do when we get to camp, and it's typically always the same thing. This right here is the first thing we do. This is the Deep Sleep for Jeep nets. So we've rolled the window completely down, and then you just throw these nets over your door, and now the Jeep is getting fresh air, but all those pesky bugs are staying out. Plus, you can't see what's going on inside there. Then we'll get chairs. Then we look for firewood, and then we're going to decide on what we want to eat, and then we'll make the bed. And so you've already seen that in previous videos, but and then all of our pillows will fly out as soon as I open this, so Kim will be angry. Yeah, so we'll just move these straps and our bed will fold right out. Boom.
Are you ready for some din-din?
Well, damn, that was exciting. What the fuck? I was gonna go over here and talk about the camp and the view and the sunset. And Jesus, you just went straight to din-din on us. Tina, you fat cow, come get your din-din. So guys, no, this camp, it's right by a road. I told you that earlier, but it has been so quiet and so peaceful. We got to hear a herd of, I'm calling them a herd, babe. We got to hear a herd of chipmunks killing each other. They were so unhappy.
Yes, they were unhappy about something.
But it is supper time, and I keep focusing on your breasticles.
Fishbone.
Fishbone off-road. We bought, I said breasticles and you said the shirt. But so anyway, so we're gonna eat some leftover buffalo chicken because it's leftover.
It's not leftover.
Well, I mean, it's kind of leftover. You made it the same.
Raw.
It's raw, but Jesus Christ, I meant, guys, what I meant was it's bagged and ready. So for the love of God. And then she got these little Knorr pasta packs, and they're not bad. They're pretty good. So
They're super easy to pack on the trail.
super easy. All right. I don't see anything happening though.
No.
Let's
Gotta wait for the jet boil to
do its thing.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the jet boil up here in altitude?
I love it.
Amazing.
Yeah, it works great.
And your little Sea to Summit pot.
Yeah.
You love that thing?
Jam. Yeah. These are the jam. Because the bowls fit in them nicely.
Nice. All right, guys. So we're gonna make some what?
Buffalo chicken.
No, some din-din.
Some
Jesus.
din-din.
We're gonna make some din-din and
Just talk about this.
sit by that fire. You just got accosted by a moth.
Oh.
I think every time I point out this light in the rear hatch, if you don't have this in your Jeep, I think they make it for JK and JL. You're missing out, aren't they, babe?
Yes.
Look how bright.
Except it brings the moths.
Does bring all the moths to the yard.
And now it's stuck in my thing.
What do you want? Are you afraid of a moth? For the love of
To
God.
help him out. Because he won't fly out.
Come on, fly out of there, little moth. There he goes. All right. He's like, thanks for saving me.
No, I'm going to take the shit out of him.
I don't know why people watch this channel. Jesus. See you in a little bit, guys. So that little pasta dish has the cheese and everything mixed right in it. So you boil it with all that?
Mm-hmm.
That's strange. I'm used to the cheap macaroni and cheese that has a powder packet.
Well, there's powder.
Well, no, I see it. Yeah. It seems like an excessive amount of chicken. I feel like that's a really big serving.
Says the man with a bag of snacks the size of them.
Hey,
Pouch back
well,
here.
that's why I'm not hungry. I got all the fucking snacks. Babe,
Yeah.
why is it not done yet? None of this.
Colorado
None of this
air.
looks cooked.
It's not cut.
What are you doing? I mean, how long's it been cooking?
I feel like forever.
Jesus.
I feel like I've been here slaving over a stove all afternoon.
So you're saying it's been 3 minutes? No, it really does feel like forever though. But guys, that's what we're gonna eat. That's that cheesy stuff. And then that's that buffalo-y stuff. All right. All right, guys. Kimberly has realized that she put too much water in this pasta. So we're gonna try to thicken it up by adding 2 full slices of boar's head 3-pepper Colby Jack. Let's see if it makes it ooey gooey goodness. I don't know why I can't tie my shoes. Oh, it's because I'm fat. I don't know why I'm fat. Oh, it's because this shit happens.
This is your concoction.
Look,
You're just trying to save the pasta.
trying to save. Look, I'm being a husband and trying to fix your mistake.
Trying to save the pasta.
Think that's going to make it an ooey gooey cheesy mess? Do we need to add more cheese? Oh, it's melting.
Well, yeah, of course it's melting.
I think 3 more slices of cheese that'll thicken it right up. I still don't know what's going on with this guy. I don't feel like it's cooking at all. We should do a cooking show, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to switch from off-road and outdoor to Jeremy and Kim cook weird shit in the kitchen. All right, fine. Yeah, I thought it was a great idea.
People will never want to eat my cooking again.
Everybody wants to eat your cooking. Guys, so our chicken never got crusty and our damn pasta never got thick. So what is wrong with you, Kim? You're not yourself tonight.
Why are you giving me shit? You're getting dinner.
I'm getting what?
You're getting dinner.
I'm getting din-din. So you guys that are used to watching Trail Recon with Marco and Lifestyle Overland with their gourmet food,
What? Shut up.
our shit looks like an elementary school cafeteria. Like, it's like, what are you guys having? Square pizza and beef stroganoff.
I'm not even giving you a spoon.
Oh, that's not fair. Oh, is that my spoon?
Yes.
All right, guys, we got a dilemma, right, babe? All right, the dilemma is we ate all of that soupy cheese noodle stuff, and then we ate our boiled buffalo chicken, and it's all gone. I don't know, and here's the thing. Let us know in the comments, what is it about Colorado that just gives you the munchies for some reason? So we're still hungry. So what are we doing? Let's pan down to this glorious thing. The Bridgeford ready-to-eat pizza. It's a pepperoni pizza with sauce and cheese. And how long is that thing good for, babe?
I don't know. It's like
2025 is the answer. So this is ready to eat dry, but we're not savages. What are we going to do, babe? We're going to pop it open. We've never had these, so you're going to be experiencing this with us. What the hell?
All right, so it says that we can boil it for 6 minutes.
I am totally petrified right now.
All right, so we only have room for one at a time.
So that means 12 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, so I just want to show the package. All right, Bridgeford, what are you doing? This looks very military-ish. So, I kind of
Pizza
think...
was designed to be eaten straight from the pouch. However, it can also be heated via one of the following methods. So,
Hey, they're out of Statesville, North Carolina, guys. Do you see that? That's our neighbors. I sounded really excited about that, didn't I? I mean, I was really damn excited about them being our neighbors. So, look at that picture. That it actually don't look bad. So it'll be amazing to see. No refrigeration required. That's also important. So it's going to be interesting to see what this tastes like. So do you just want to make one and try it?
probably.
That way, you know, for shits and giggles one day, we can
need
try
it
to
to
eat it
survive.
dry. Yeah, I mean, because that pizza keeps alive for at least a day. All right, so here's my thing, babe. This is going to be an experience, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what are your initial impressions? What do you think this is going to taste like?
I think it's gonna taste like you know those cheap pizzas you get at the grocery, and when you microwave them, how they're like
Rubber?
Yeah, that's what I think this one's tastes like.
All right. I'm excited. Has it been 6 minutes?
Yes.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it has.
It has not been 6 minutes. All right. Put it on our gourmet cutting board. Guys, if you haven't been to the Iron Bridge Woodshop Etsy store to make a purchase, please do so. It is supporting an amazing... What the shit? Right, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this little pepperoni over here. Okay. Well. I think you're gonna bomb it.
No, it's not very good.
It's not very good, guys. Oh, look at the whiteness of the bread.
I mean, you could live off of it. Maybe if you had it in a toaster oven.
Maybe if you boil it for 6 minutes instead of 2. I mean, it's not even remotely warm.
Yes, it is.
No. Are they getting you, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. You gonna throw it in the fire?
No.
You gonna eat it?
Might as well.
Damn, Colorado has done it. Hell, I could probably talk her into Taco Bell right now. Oh God, it's terrible, guys. No, we're still eating. That's hilarious. I mean, it tastes like absolute trash. And we're like, well, okay.
Well, can't let it go waste.
Babe, we waste everything. I mean, look at all these good looks I'm wasting.
What?
I don't know. Don't question what I say. Let me eat my Jesus, I don't even know what to call it.
Your tomato biscuit.
Oh, that's what it is, like a dry biscuit. That might have been a pizza 3 years ago. Oh God. I just finished my last bite and it was numb. Ain't you glad you didn't make that second one? Bradford, if you're watching this, we're not disrespecting your work. I mean,
I really think it would be good in a toaster oven.
like we're finishing it because we respect what you did, Bridgeford. But I'm probably gonna go get me some Doritos now. You wanna share some Doritos?
No. I've got some cinnamon cookies somewhere.
The little Mexican cinnamon cookies are the jam. If you don't know about Bimbo Bakeries, whoo, they're good. All right, babe. Are we shutting her down? That's our review for the Bridgeford ready-to-eat pizza. So 1 out of 10 on survival food. Where would you put it? It's gonna take her a 4. How much other survival food have you had? Because I assure you, that's better than the damn beefy mac. No, it's got a weird flavor in the back. Kind of just keeps giving it to you. All right. That's our review of the Bridgeford ready-to-eat pizza. I'm not ready to eat it again. What are we going to do for a snack, man? Because I can't eat that.
Got some tuna.
That is Look, I'll leave your ass out here in the desert. Good morning. Give YouTube a good morning. What was that? We have an alarm set, guys. Because today we're going to Munchies Pass. And we've heard you want to get there early. So it's like 6 o'clock. So there you go. Proof, guys, that we do in fact both fit in this Jeep. You will notice that on this trip we've decided that if we caddy corner, her head's up there, my head's up here, I have so much more room for activities. I don't know if it's because we're sleeping among the aspens and they're supposed to keep all the evil spirits away or what, but last night was definitely the best night of sleep I've had in 14 days, 13 days.
Shouldn't you slept like shit the whole time?
Not shit, but I definitely didn't sleep great. Last night was pretty great. So, while your mouth's all full, what are we doing today?
Today we are hitting Munchies Pass.
Munchies Pass. And then what?
And then it's starting the trek home.
Heading home. What is it about?
26 hours.
What is it, about 2,500 miles or something? Yeah, I think it is.
To home? No, I think it's like 14.
Oh, okay. So we're eating the same thing we ate yesterday because it was quick and easy, and we want to get out of camp early because we've heard that you need to get to Munchies Pass early. So, let's do this. Feel ready?
I'm ready.
You look ready. Jesus Christ.